Hey Cuppy Clan, it is your girl Black China Bear. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing awesome. It is 2020. We are doing great things in this new year. Speaking of which, I need you guys' support with the channel. Please like, share, comment. Like, all the things that you guys do help support the channel. It grows my audience. It helps draw more attention to my channel, which is really, really helpful because I've been doing YouTube for so many years and I'm still not at 50,000 subscribers yet. My channel is sort of like in a dark space. But I need your help with growing my channel this year. Let's work together as a team in 2020 to make this a great channel and to grow our numbers. So click the subscribe button, like this video, leave me a comment, and share. It's all free. You can do that for me. Please do that for me. If I hit 50,000 subscribers, I want to do a giveaway because I haven't did one in a while. And I have some makeup products. And I think I want to give away a wig. But I need you guys' help. So if y'all want me to do a big old giveaway, let's get to sharing. Let's get to liking. Let's get to commenting. Okay? So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So today, we're going to be talking about this new product that I have here from Teami Blends. They sent me their greens superfood blend. This one has matcha, spirulina, and wheatgrass in there. So they sent me this, and then they also sent me, these are the Teami tumblers. And these tumblers come in a wide variety of colors, you guys. They have so many different colors. I was going to get gold because I love gold, but I chose to get pink because, you know, I'm obsessed with pink as well. I'm sorry, it's green. I have this stuff in here right now. You put your product in there and you shake it up and it blends the product together. You can open it like that, and then this thing twists off. Inside it has like a little strainer in there, and that also pops right on out. And this part, when you go to wash it, you can just twist it apart and all of it just comes apart. It's so cool. It has a carrying handle, and then this bottom part comes off too. So like if you want to put a tea bag in there or some protein powder, you can also put that in there. You put hot water in here or cold water in here. So I put my hot teas in here. I put my almond milk in here. Like whatever I want to put in here, I put it in there and I shake it up. And that's including this. Like I said, I have that in here right now with some almond milk. So I just put about 8 ounces of almond milk in here and then a scoop of this. So anyways, let's get into this. Let's get into this product. So guys, I'm going to read to you the information about this real quick. It says just 1 in 10 Americans will reach the recommended amount of vegetables in their diet daily. So we made this product with you in mind. Teami Greens is packed with 16 superfood green nutrients to help promote energy levels, get your daily intake of veggies, and promote digestive. I always say digestive. And promote digestive. Am I saying that right? I don't think I am. I think it's my list. Anyways, and overall health. Each ingredient, like ceremonial grade matcha, wheatgrass, spirulina, and spinach, were hand-picked and blended perfectly together for the maximum overall health benefits, all in one scoop. If you're ready to get your veggies intake in just one easy serving, you've met your match. It should have said your matcha. This blend is ground into a fine powder that allows your body to quickly absorb these nutrients and use them as fuel for your all-day energy. I want to describe the flavor to you guys. It's like an earthy taste to it, like almost grassy, but it's also a sweet taste to it as well. I mixed mine with almond milk, vanilla almond milk. I also mixed it with tea, like sweetened tea. I'm running out of it. I love this stuff. This is the Gold Peak tea. It's the diet blend. So I mix it with this as well, and then I also mix it with like regular tea, like tea bags, like green tea, Earl Grey tea, like whatever kind of tea I want to brew, I'll mix it with that as well. Oh, like I said, it has matcha in there. So like matcha is like concentrated green tea. It's concentrated green tea. Like for me personally, I have a really high caffeine tolerance, so like I normally drink a lot of coffee. So matcha by itself for me doesn't really give me a kick. So like if you for me, I mix it with tea to get a little bit more energy. So it all just depends on you personally, but for me, like matcha by itself is like it's nothing. That's nothing to me. But they do have matcha on the website if you want to get just a matcha product. So it's just pure concentrated matcha, but there is matcha in this if you want to have energy. So but like if you're like me, you have a high caffeine tolerance, I recommend just mixing it with a stronger tea, so that way you still get that boom pow. And it's so funny, I keep trying to wean myself off of coffee, and I was hoping this was going to help me, but honey, coffee keeps calling me, because me and coffee is like this, you know, it's like this. So like I said, it's like an earthy taste. It tastes green, of course, like green veggies. It's just more of like a whole veggie slash weedy taste. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It tastes like natural stuff, like natural ingredients. It's not something that you necessarily drink for the flavor. You drink it for the health benefits, if you know what I mean. I mix mine with like almond milk just to make it taste better, so that you know, it tastes really good. I love matcha myself. I always go like to Starbucks and get matcha drinks, so I know what matcha tastes like, so I really enjoy it. So there's matcha in here, but there's spirulina in here. If you've ever had spirulina before, I personally used to take spirulina tablets back in the day, and they have like a seaweed taste to them and smell to them, so like you get like sort of certain hints in here. But it's not up to me personally. I don't think it's a bad taste. Like, I was actually thinking it was going to taste like kale and like not have any type of goodness to it, but it actually doesn't taste bad at all, especially when mixed with something sweet. So it has that in there. Wheatgrass. If you ever had a wheatgrass shot, I used to take wheatgrass. Let me tell you something, guys. Back in the day when I would go to the gym all the time and I was extra buff, I would always go to like Jamba Juice and get a shot of wheatgrass. That stuff was disgusting. But I would go there and get a shot of wheatgrass, you know, make myself feel like I was doing something good. And I would take my spirulina tablets, you know, from GNC. So like, it's so good to get all that in here, and it feels good to be on track with that too, knowing that all that's in here, because I feel like I'm getting back to my old self again. So funny to think about that. Like, I have forgot all about that life, you know. So like I said, it's like a grassy veggie taste to it, but when you mix it with something sweet, the taste is there, but it's muted. It's not a horrible taste at all. And like I said, this is finely milled. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love the color of this stuff. Hopefully it'll focus. There we go. You see how bright green it is? It looks just like matcha. So you get a big tub of it. You get 32 servings in this. And I've been using this for a while now, you guys. I actually have another one ready for it when this one runs out. I have another one already. They have this one, and guys, Teami Blend, they sell tea, they sell skincare products, they sell matcha, they sell a lot of different products. It's not just this product, they sell a lot of different products. So I think they sell weight loss tea too, if I'm correct. So yeah, go check out their website pretty much. But yeah, so I have this, and guys, what I love about this too, so like, you guys know, well, some of you guys know, some of you don't, because you guys keep asking me how am I losing weight, and I'm like, I told you guys I had weight loss surgery, so I don't know. But I had weight loss surgery back in September. One of the things about having weight loss surgery is that you do struggle with getting your nutrients. Your body struggles with absorbing things properly. So like, we have to take vitamins every day. So what I like about this is that it helps absorb faster into your body because it's so finely milled. Like, you suck it down in your drink and it goes right into your body. It starts digesting. There's no need for it to be broken down because it's already broken down for you, so it absorbs really fast. And also what I love, and this is going to be a TMI moment, so like, you might want to cover your ears if you don't want to hear this, but a problem that I have is constipation. That's one of the issues that you may deal with having the surgery. I was already dealing with that before the surgery, but after the surgery it's just like, whoa, like, where's my bowel movements at? So this actually helps keep me regular. Like, I was shook. I was like, why am I going to the bathroom? Like, what's going on? And it's this product, and like, that's real life tea, like tea, but that's real life tea, you guys. This stuff helps me go to the bathroom, and I don't mean like, you know, like messy go to the bathroom. I mean just like regular going to the bathroom on a regular basis. I'm like, wow. And that's the veggies, you know, that's the veggies. But anyways, this product is amazing. I love it so much. I'm so glad I have it. Like I said, I already have a second container ready for when this one runs out. So I will leave a link for it down below in the description bar. Let me see if I have a discount code for you guys. I hope I do, because that would be so freaking banging. Oh, I do. Ah, look at God. So for discount code, you can use the discount code 20OFF-GREENS. So I'll put it on the screen here. It's 20OFF-GREENS. This is good for 20% off. So it's 20% off of this product with the discount code 20OFF-GREENS. So you can use that to save some coins on your products. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I want to tell you guys about this. So guys, that's the end of this video. Hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments that I did not answer, of course, leave them down below in the comment section. And like I said at the beginning of this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will catch you guys in the next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Black China Bear. Mwah.